Wait, it's kind of good.
Five Below.
You can smell the dill.
Oh, Lord. My.
Subscribe right now or I'll find you.
Okay guys, so happy Monday. It's Tegan and Amaya, and Mimi just brought us to Five Below, and so we bought a whole bunch of stuff, and I'm not gonna haul it because it's already all put away, but I got like, so there's only some things that I got these, and then I got like slime liquor and like all these things, candy, yeah. But I also got this, and we're gonna try it for you guys. It's a warhead pickle, and I cut a little corner like on so we could try the juice, and it smells horrendous. Right. Walk in. Okay. Ew, that's weird. It like burns my throat. Okay, Maya, do you want to go dump it out?
Up here, downstairs.
In the kitchen, I mean, in the sink in the bathroom. So, I'm gonna rate the juice. It kind of tastes like pickle juice, but at the same time, it's like really sour. And then like burns your throat. It like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, it's like weird. I don't know how to explain it. Back. Okay, we got the pickle. Looky, looky, looky. It's crumble cookie. Crumble cookie for life. Have you guys seen those people on TikTok? Those like girls? That's what it looks.
Guys, comment your favorite crumble cookie in the comments.
Also, what your favorite pickle is. Like, butter. Like, what is it? Like butter and something? What is it? Like butter and garlic or something? Like sweet and spicy. Dill, sweet. Okay, guys. We're gonna try it. 3. No. Okay, I'm scared. 3, 2, 1.
Pepper, you can't eat this.
Wait, it's kind of good.
That's my second
Wait,
one.
guys.
Pepper back here's trying to eat it.
Wait. It's good.
The more you eat it, the better it tastes.
That's good. Because I was going to mess with my acid reflux, but like, wait. If it was crunchier, and if it was cold, it tastes like a warhead, but if it was dill flavored. It kind of tastes like the smell of nail polish remover.
Guys, I'm watching TikTok back.
Wait, let me do one more bite.
That's good. I rate the juice like a 2 out of 10. And then I rate the pickle like a 7 out of 10. Again, I'm doing this when I see the juice as a 2 out of 10.
It's good. As you can see. I would buy it again, But like put like stuff like
No reaction.
but put like stuff in it. You know how like you see like the chamoy pickles where they put like Takis or like fruit roll-ups and stuff in it? I would do something like that with that to balance out the sourness. Because dill pickles usually are sour sometimes. And so like if you got something to balance it out
I was joking, Piper.
then I think it would be good.
Smell it.
It is good, but like I feel like it'd be better. I rate it like a
The juice and the pickle together is an 8 out of 10.
yeah, I rate it like an 8. We're gonna try these now.
Oh, no.
I might already tried it, but they're like, you know, like the Ferrero Rocher candies. This is like what it's like.
It does not remind me of Ferrero Rocher.
I call them Ferrero Roasters, if you guys were wondering. These are good. But that's our taste test for you guys.
I'm still eating the pickle.
Make sure to comment down below your favorite kind of pickles
And your favorite crumble cookie.
and your favorite crumble cookie. Not like the cakes that they have now, like an actual cookie. Mine has to be semi-sweet chocolate chip.
Mine's the original pink.
The pink sugar.
Yeah.
But oh, maybe I should. That's our taste test, guys. I'll see you tomorrow or later today if Mimi wants to film something.
No, do you not understand it? It's not the movie that it's gonna happen. It's just, they're just talking about how watching scary movies, period.
Piper, get in here. Looks like chicken. It's chicken stock.
Same thing.
Lola.
No, I mean like the soup and noodles. Look at that white dog over there. He's chasing them around the table. He is going full speed. Ew. What's that?
Sage. I love the smell of sage.
The Thanksgiving smell?
Mm-hmm.
What are we even doing for Thanksgiving?
Having Thanksgiving food, unfortunately, on a way down smaller scale.
We say that every year, and then
No, we're doing it this year. We're not even gonna get the bigger pans. We're gonna get smaller pans, like 8 by 8.
Okay, good. Yeah, what is that?
Why?
It's the season because we waste the food.
Are you still eating chicken?
Not this year. I'm taking all that.
Yep. Okay, so you're gonna take dressing?
Yup. No.
Okay, exactly.
I don't eat, you know, well, I don't eat stuffing. I'm not eating.
Yeah,
eating
and
it
we
on
make a big
Thanksgiving.
pan and we probably eat that much of it.
Don't make that much.
What did I
That's what we
just say?
talked about.
Oh no, I thought you meant like overall amount of. You know.
We waste
food on
everything.
Thanksgiving.
Everything goes in the trash.
What dessert?
Pies.
Look,
I seen
I can't wait for Christmas. I just
seen on
want that to
Instagram.
come so I can
They
have
got
enchiladas.
sweet potato pie with the lattice top.
That is going. You mean lattice?
You want to say
Brother,
what's lattice?
what is lattice? It's a lattice.
Listen, you know what I'm talking about though, right?
I can hear about it.
Oh,
I was trying to figure out what lattice was, and then I thought, oh, okay.
no.
Just do two
I'll
of
tell
them.
you.
Throw that away from me. Thank you. You ready? Ooh, hot. Maybe I'm definitely gonna put some water in here.
Let's get it.
Just the
So who invited you?
big chewy Chips Ahoy.
Who invited you?
Mr. Big Back invites himself. What you mean?
Yeah, we
Oh,
know.
we
We
can
know.
We
We know.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So we have a taste test. We have 4 chips and 3 cookies.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
So what do we want to do first?
Probably just the
Oh,
regular.
this shit
Yeah.
I'm lagging up here.
Guys, let me through.
Oh, she's back. BTW. We're only doing these.
Yeah, this is not
even though
pre-recorded.
They're regular because we don't have this brand here. Is it Utz or Utz?
Oops.
Ooh.
It's oops.
I don't believe that. I'll Google it.
There's no P.
My guy's from Australia, so he probably wouldn't be able to pronounce it right.
Bro, I'm closed on apps. Send an invite, man.
Ooh. I have to do it for geography. Do you know how to make a ninja star?
Okay.
For the regular,
It looks like regular chips. They're good though.
I don't even like regular potato chips.
I love regular potato chips. I don't
They're
need all
soft.
that stuff.
The Pringles, please. I already know it's going to be bad.
Carnitas taco.
Guys, somebody get the
Pringles.
same thing.
I love they got me lagging upstairs and shit. Send an invite after that.
Then can we
shit,
do this
say.
one? The
They
extinction
kind
basic
of smell like
first.
dirty feet.
What?
The after smell.
The after dirty
I would
feet?
know what that smelled like because I've never had dirty feet.
This thing smells better than that.
Who just walks in the store and is like, I'm going to give me some taco Pringles.
Well, the street taco ones are good.
Yeah, to you and Maya.
Yep.
No,
I
that's
like
just straight
that.
corn.
Street. Yeah, I like the street.
Oh, yeah.
Ready? Yeah. It tastes like meat.
It ain't even bad. It tastes like a taco.
Yeah.
I like it.
I don't like it.
Ew.
I want to buy them.
Can we do a
No.
cookie?
I spit it out.
They don't have enough lime on it.
Ew,
They
my
put
stomach
more
just
lime
like
on them.
this.
We're going to try the big chewy Chips Ahoy.
I don't want any of that.
It tastes like the,
I still have it in my mouth.
like the regular one.
Somebody help.
I only want to taste these. I'm not tasting that. I don't like store-bought cookies. You know, but I want to try the caramel one.
I'm trying that.
I don't know about this in our invite.
Guys, I'm just back here. Oh, I got a left kick today. I sport this. Yum.
Right is the only way to go.
Who even likes right? Comment if you like right or left foot.
Did you see our pickle review? Did you watch it?
I haven't watched it. I haven't edited anything yet.
Don't.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Are you so funny?
Tastes like the regular cookie that I love.
Yeah.
It's good.
Hey, Chip.
I was standing here.
Fried dill pickle chips.
Ew.
I'm already there. Alright, knows it's gonna be busting. Can I have a bowl of these after?
They smell very pickly. A bowl? What kind of bowl are these out
That
there?
smells like.
Mom, you know me and mine tried the
Oh,
warhead
yeah.
pickle from Five Below.
You could smell the dill.
Five Below.
You could smell the dill.
Taste of the chips. Oh, those are very pickly.
My bad. Oh my god.
I like that dill.
It smells like booty.
Do not put that in slow.
I probably will gonna put it in slow motion. You know I love a good slow motion.
That's the little money.
Ew.
Three.
Don't make me
Me.
too.
Three, two.
Everybody ready? Yeah.
Thank you.
They're very pickly.
Got a bowl?
I
Oh,
like
good.
those.
And we're a pickle loving family.
Yeah.
Are those from the same oog?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's us.
We'll try the chocolatey brownie. Yeah, I want to try that.
I want to try the caramel.
Guys, I'm okay. Not really.
OMG.
You didn't like that?
You didn't like it?
Make me a ninja star, please, please, please. I need it for geography.
Right, you
Make
like
me a ninja,
pickles.
ninja
I can
star,
see myself
please,
eating a whole bag
please.
of those. And
I was
going,
literally
"Did I
talking
eat
to
the
everyone in
whole thing?"
That would be
geography,
so
and I
good
was
with
like,
a sandwich.
It's
Quincy
good.
definitely
Hamburgers.
knows how to make a ninja star. I'm gonna ask him.
Hey.
I wish we can get those here, because I would get a bag of those.
I already know.
So
I already know
excited
this is
for the
good.
sun
This is gonna
chips.
taste like a grandma's cookie.
Let me taste a little bit of it. As long as it
So the
don't taste
sun
like a
It smells
brownie.
like it.
I don't like brownies.
It's gonna taste like a
chocolatey
brownie.
Well, let me taste it. The sun chips.
Oh.
I thought you already ate it.
Don't mean.
3, 2, 1.
It's like a grandma's cookie.
These are my favorite ones.
Mm-hmm.
These are the kinds I buy
Yes, sir.
in the smaller version.
Oh my. It's like grandma's
Oh,
cookie.
they're good. I don't even like store-bought cookies. Okay.
Oh, I might
Sun
need a bowl of
chips.
this one instead of the other one.
Peppercorn ranch. I'm taking that bag back if it's good. I've been
Guys-
waiting to eat that for 2 weeks.
Everyone pray that Mimi does not like these.
I'm gonna like them.
Please
Yeah,
like
you know
it.
you are.
That smells like ranch stick.
Yep, smells like ranch.
Yeah.
Can't help her stuff. I'm sorry.
Oh, I dropped it. Stop.
Whatever hoodie you had on, the lint all over you, girl.
Yeah, and
This
she's
is
getting
the one
on me.
Mom got.
It's because it hasn't been washed yet.
Oh my god, I never started putting stuff on my chest.
Right.
3, 2, 1.
These are good.
Tastes like Cool Ranch Doritos.
No,
Mimi.
that.
No, that I like.
Me.
Can it here?
Can I have one more?
I
Yeah.
want some of these.
Give me another, bro.
Is that how you do it?
No.
Chocolatey caramel.
Is it the nose that I'm
That I
getting?
want to taste.
One sec, let me get. Yeah.
So not like that far down. Instead of gold silver.
I think there's only one caramel chip in there. So you can bite it right there.
I think I broke my arm.
Where'd you even find those?
I'm going to Smith. I'm gonna make sure there's chocolate and caramel in every bite.
How much chocolate did you eat?
You want to trade?
That's fine.
It smells like the peanut butter ones.
She don't eat nothing that
Try
one.
to get back downstairs.
Not peanut butter, like the butterscotch.
Okay.
I don't like it. It tastes like butterscotch.
I like it.
And I only like the little butterscotch candies.
Oh.
I like that one.
I like the brownie one.
And it's different.
I'm glad I got 2 of each.
And some vanilla ice cream.
Oh, Maya doesn't like it. Do you want this last piece?
Maya, did you want?
No. Or yeah.
Did you like anything?
And you said you wanted this too, right?
Oh, I want that one.
I like
I
3
already have
things.
2 downstairs. Do you want this one, Maya? The rest of this one? Just
Yeah.
the chocolate chip.
So can I have some of
I
the
want
chips?
some of these.
I don't care.
You gonna get me a bowl or a plate?
Catch
A
me
little
outside.
plate? Huh?
Hang on.
Did she say catch her outside? Girl, I'll go fist the cuffs with me some dill pickle chips. Natalie used to say, I ain't
Yeah, you can
scared
pour
to
it
hit a
for me. I'm
baby.
scared.
When you used to piss Natalie off, she goes, I ain't scared to hit a baby.
The chips you got.
Oh, the sun chip.
I haven't had chips in so long. One more sit down.
2 things on the
Okay.
table. Go up over
Because
the-
me and Maya were gonna eat cereal, but then you guys came up for the taste test, so we moved it to the table.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Ew, those are nasty.
Mm-mm.
They fried me.
So are you not going to have the cereal?
We are. We're waiting. We have to get in the cabinet. The pantry.
Okay, well, that's it. That's the end of the taste test. Hope you enjoy. We didn't get anything too exciting.
Hope you enjoy.
Bro, looks like you have a whole poop ball in the back of your head.
Shut up. Shut up, mate.
Who
I got 4C here. I can't help it.
Ew, those are
Like
nasty.
them? I don't know. I'll ask him.
Mom, can you get your Fruity Pebbles out?
Not like
Can you get the cinnamon out?
Woo! Thanks.
Dang, Ma, you done flew through that.
No.
Cousin.
Cause That one barely has anything in it.
So, put this
One centimeter of milk.
Eating cereal when I was young.
Alright, bye. I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
We're back from a late night Walmart haul, so I'm gonna do a speed round. Blueberry waffles. English muffins. English muffins. I only like the plain.
Okay, guys, and then Mom got this perfume. Is this in the box?
Yes.
This perfume.
What'd she get?
And then
Can you tell them? Because it's not even in focus.
Aeropostale blushing.
High C or Lava Burst.
Each plus Daisy Aeropostale. Okay, it's not focusing. I mean,
Berry blue, high C. Squeeze it.
deodorant. One bag of cinnamon toasters.
We got 5 of these because they were on clearance for $1 a bag.
We also got one of those because there's one for $1. I mean $1 too.
These were $1 also, so we got 1 of these and 5 of the cinnamon toasters.
Because
Pumpkin spice cold foam. Pumpkin pie coffee creamer.
I heard that the Great Value one is better, so that's why I wanted to try it.
Funny enough, Taylor bought this when she was out of town, but I guess we left it in the rental car when we were taking stuff out, so she bought another one, so we'll be tasting it this weekend. It's the Shirley Temple 7-Up. CeraVe Acne Foaming Face Wash. 3 Peach Mango Green Tea Juice Mixes. 3 Summer's Eve Body Sprays. And a Cantu Guava Shampoo. Pops.
best drink.
Fruit Loops. Blueberry Little Bites. Cinnamon Brown Sugar Thick and Fluffy Waffles. Tiramisu Yogurt. Caramel Apple Pie Yogurt. Pumpkin Pie Yogurt. The Walmart greeter gave us a whole bunch of Take 5 candies.
What is
Cran Grape Juice.
this one? Fly
Turkey, cheddar, Lunchable. Oh, Lord.
My.
Are you okay?
Maya done missed the whole chair.
I sat down and then
3 of the nacho cheese Lunchables. I had to cut myself off. I could only allow myself to get 3. 2 peach yogurt. 3 caramel apple pie. 2 Starbucks dark roast unsweetened coffee. Ginger ale. White grape sparkling water. Blue raspberry sparkling water. Pineapple coconut sparkling water. Sprite Zero. Apple juice. That's it for me and Taylor.
I got this.
Why wouldn't it? So all the waffles in the whole entire world,
True fruit raspberry.
Said nationwide.
and state.
Done. Because I just ran out today.
I didn't look it up. I seen it on the.
Hawaiian shaved ice Awani. This Red Bull. It's the coconut berry one. Then I got this yogurt.
Hold on.
This yogurt. These pimple patches. And more mascara.
okay, it's my turn. So first, leaf. I got some
This stuff is.
strawberries and cream Dr. Pepper. Good, good. And then I got some Mexican street corn Pringles. I got some strawberry true fruit. And I got some Oreos. Yeah, that's all I got. Okay.
Just put it in the room. I'll put it where it goes. Thank you. Alright, y'all. We'll see you tomorrow.
Just because you're my day one, to your senses. Been on it since we was kids. You taught me how to French kiss. Now you so cold with your business, but you still don't know what love is. Love is more than feelings, it's choices. Why we so indecisive? All these years later, still the same. Running, open cycle, but before it closes, I want you to want me, ask me to be more in your life.
So we're at Burlington. Oh wait, I need a thumbnail. Pose. Anyways, we're at Burlington, so we're here for Christmas presents, and you know it's Club Burlington, so I'm sure they have the music blasting. So I don't know how much I'm going to be able to record, but we'll see. I found me some new shower puffs, 2 for $4.
Disposable tongue scrapers. I never take mine when I travel because I don't travel without. I don't even have a separate traveling toothbrush. But if I keep these in my stuff for when I travel, oh yeah, they're $5.
Okay, but you get a lot.
See, I don't know if this is deodorant. It's dry spray. Remember I asked you about it?
I think it's deodorant. I got some.
I did too, and I used it and I didn't stink or nothing, but
What is that?
panty spray.
Oh, okay.
You
Or
wanna
you could
spray
just
your
shower.
panties?
We're in Sam's now. I couldn't really show you up Burlington because of the music, and we had to get a lot of Christmas presents. And just so you know, me and her are almost done. After this weekend, I should be done.
Yeah, I just got it. Is that pizza? What they giving out? Ooh, it's
No.
cake.
It's cake?
I think so. 25 days of jerky treats. I can't get that one out.
You gonna buy it for them to share?
Yeah, I mean, that would be cute. And they would, yeah, we would have to share. I ain't buying two.
Yeah.
Split it in half.
Ow! I hit my damn head.
Oh, that bag is open. What is happening? Guess I can start cranberry orange and apple pie muffins. Take out the cranberry orange
Yeah, if they had pumpkin, I get them.
and apple pie.
You buying muffins?
No, I was just showing you. That's apple pie.
Oh my god.
And then that's the cranberry orange and then pumpkin. I bet you they're fire.
Child, look at that muffin. What happened?
It fell over. They all look cattywampus.
Are those coffee cakes?
Fuck it up.
Oh, that lemon velvet?
I would fuck it up.
What is this? Pumpkin crumb cake?
Ooh, it's pumpkin. Oh, I'm hungry. I need to go. Let me call her first.
Look.
Also come. Oh, I didn't even see that. So I got black frosting.
Yeah.
It's filled. Nah. Hopefully this don't break on me. Is your sister still there? Yeah. Okay.
I got tired of vlogging. Oh, they do have holiday ones. This is the state of the cart. If you want to see everything we got, look for the grocery haul next month. But they have my popcorn back in stock. Y'all know I'm a popcorn lover. I got 2 bags.
Oh.
I love this popcorn. If you see this Mike's popcorn, the butter one, so good. So yeah, that's it. We're still shopping, but like I said, if you want to see everything, watch the grocery haul, the November grocery haul, because it'll be in that. Are they different flavors or just different shapes?
I don't know.
I think it's just shapes.
Cherry, orange, strawberry, berry, and grape.
It's just shapes. All right, so we're gonna try the Shirley Temple 7-Up, and then we also have salted caramel high chews to try. So what one do you want to do first, sis?
Yeah.
Huh?
Smells good.
Smells
Yeah.
pink.
3, 2, 1. It tastes like shrimp.
I like it.
I don't think it
Bland.
tastes like a Shirley Temple,
No.
but it
Yeah,
is
it's
good.
You doing a caramel?
I drink it.
It doesn't really have a lot of flavor.
I only drink blue cherry.
I feel like cherry Sprite is more flavorful than this.
Yeah. I was gonna say it's kind of bland.
It's pretty good.
It's refreshing though.
Salted caramel high chews. Did you get one?
Yeah.
Smells salted caramel.
So good.
Wait, I can't open it.
Smells like those
I tried one at school.
those Ace ones that you used to
Right.
get.
Tastes
Tastes
like,
regular.
like a soft caramel chew.
You don't like it? Did you even taste it?
You have to show it before you get flavor.
If you were wondering, Maya doesn't like it. Surprise, surprise.
Is it that bad to you?
Alright, well, that's the end of this week's vlog.
I don't like salted caramel.
If you like what you saw, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the post.
Even if you don't, do it anyway.
Hit the post notification bell so you're notified every time we post. And yeah, holidays are coming up. Those are when the vlogs are the most fun, so make sure you're subscribing. Holiday vlogs are fun. Is Paxton on the phone? Shout out to Paxton again. Hey girl, hey.
I don't think she heard you.
Maya, bring me your phone.
Oh no.
And she can say hi in the vlog.
Paxton, you want to say hi in the vlog? Hi. Wait, I gotta turn you up. Okay, say hi.
Hi,
Make sure you watch it, okay? So you'll be able to see or hear yourself.
I will.
Okay, tell them bye.
Bye.
Tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe right now or I'll find you.
Oh, you heard her. Bye.